gather full air in lungs, okay? Inhale like this from the nose and then read. Okay, try to read full surah, okay? Don't breath. Great, mashallah. Well done, you did it. Maqam Ajam is like Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Ah, Bismillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allah, Allahu Akbar. Yes, why we are making the ra heavy? Can you please tell me? Because there is sabr on the top of ra. Yeah, great. It should be very heavy. Heavy, great. Why are you so excited to recite the Surah Fatiha? I like it. Okay, you like it, mashallah. But I like Surah Rahman too much. As you like Surah Naas, I like Surah Rahman. I like to recite the Surah Rahman. It's my favorite surah. Okay, now read. As you like Surah Naas, you have to read in a beautiful manner, okay? In a beautiful recite. Okay, in which accent you will recite? Maqam Ajam. Maqam Ajam. Great. Okay, now start reading, please. Slowly and beautifully. Maqam Ajam is like Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ah, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ah, Bismillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allah, Allahu Akbar. Yes, mashallah. Make sure you are pronouncing the letters correctly with Tajweed rules, okay? Rabbi Rabbin Nas. Qul a'udhu again. Qul a'udhu bi Rabbin Nas. Okay. Why we are making the ra heavy? Can you please tell me? Because there is sabr on the top of ra. Yeah, great. It should be very heavy. Heavy. Is it ra existed in the bold letters, heavy letters? No. Why? Because there's one position that ra is light. Where position? In which position ra will be light? Zir. Zir position. In zir position, when there is a zir below the ra and before the ra will be light. Yeah, okay, great. Okay, now read again. قُلْ أَعُوذُ بِرَبِّ النَّاسِ. قُلْ أَعُوذُ بِرَبِّ النَّاسِ. Allah, next please. Malikin Nas. MashaAllah, good job. Next. Ilahin Nas. Ilahin Nas. Ilahin Nas. Ilahin Nas. MashaAllah. Okay, next please. من شر الوسواس الخناس. Okay. Okay, gather full air in your lungs, okay? And then read. Try to read full words, okay? Complete words. Like this. Inhale your breath in lungs full. من شر الوسواس الخناس. من شر الوسواس الخناس الذي يوسوس في صدور الناس. Okay. Again. من شر الوسواس الخناس. من شر الوسواس الخناس. Okay, what I said to you, gather full air in lungs, okay? Inhale like this from the nose and then read. Okay, try to read full surah, okay? Don't breathe, huh? In the middle of the ayah. Okay, read again. Great, mashallah. Well done. Okay, next. الذي يوسوس في صدور الناس. Okay, make it more beautiful. Wave your sound like. Okay, listen to me carefully. الذي يوسوس في صدور الناس. الذي يوسوس في صدور الناس. صدور الناس. صدور الناس. ناس. مقام عجم. ناس. Again, repeat it one more time. الذي يوسوس في صدور الناس. Okay, saw this from which letter? Heavy letters. Heavy letters. How many heavy letters are? 7. 7. Okay, can you please tell me the names also? Qaf, Sad, Dad, Ghain, Qaf. Okay. Two are remaining. Yes. Think about Ta and Dha. Yes, Ta and Dha. Okay, read it. Last verse. Minal. Minal jinnati wan nas. Minal jinnati wan nas. Minal jinnati wan nas. Minal jinnati wan nas. Nas. MashaAllah. You're learning and reciting very beautiful. MashaAllah. Okay, Allah Hafiz. Take care of yourself. Inshallah, see you tomorrow in the next class, okay? Allah Hafiz. See you inshallah.